Double click on this surface and go here with the cursor, select Add Equation, select the dimension, global variables, height, times, parentheses, 25/60. Double click on the surface. Add equation. Length times parentheses 25 times divide by 125. Now double click here. Add equations, select this value, height times parentheses 9/60. Double click here. Add equation, select this value here, width times parentheses 25/50. Select this value, width times 7.5 divided by 50. Keep doing this thing for these next two values. Double click on this surface here. Select this dimension. Select length times parentheses 3/125. Select this dimension. Global variables, select height times parentheses 3/60.